Hi everyone, this is attorney Ogmen, and today I'm in front of you to talk about Trump administration's plan to bring back much tougher version of the citizenship test for naturalization, along with major changes to visa programs. The US citizenship test, also called naturalization civics test, is getting harder again under Trump's plan. The administration wants to reinstate the controversial 2020 version that was rolled back by Biden era, and here is what's changing. Basically, I just want our followers to know that initially at the first Trump term they brought in more difficult questions for citizenship interview tests, but then later after Biden came to administration, they actually rolled back that change and kept the old citizenship test in place. But with this now, we're going to see what will be changing. It's going to be more questions. The number of civic questions was increased from 100 to 128 in 2020, and applicants had to answer 20 questions instead of 10 questions. And harder questions part, many were faced in more academic or confusing ways, requiring deeper historical knowledge. And of course, there's a higher pacing standards was applying. Applicants had to get 12 out of 20 correct compared to 6 out of 10 in the previous version. And we can say that the 2020 version gave less accommodation to older applicants and those with limited English. And Biden reversed this in 2021 after major pushback, calling it a barrier to naturalization. But now we see that Trump administration wants to bring this back, and we're going to see how this is going to play out. But what we can say is that basically, for example, instead of asking what is the rule of law in the 2020 test, ask what is the form of government of the United States. So the expected answer was supposed to be constitutional federal republic, not exactly everyday language that people actually uses. And we also see that the Trump administration also targeting H-1B work visas and tightening eligibility, redefining what counts as a specialty occupations. This could make it harder for foreign professionals in tech, engineering, and medicine to qualify. We also see that there are other changes that are being discussed, which are like getting rid of the diversity visa lottery, requiring expanded medical exams for green card applicants, slashing family-based immigration quotas, and pushing for limits on birthright citizenship. So we're going to see, of course, how other changes that administrations play out, but we're going to share with you any other development we have. I hope this helps our followers. This is attorney Ogmen. Have a great day.